Hey everybody, I thought I'd do a quick video here to show a project that I'm currently about to start work on involving my 1970 Rolls Royce. I bought this a few years ago on eBay, just after New Year I believe it was, a bit of a hungover purchase. Actually, a bit worse for wear. Lovely bits of mould and rat's nest of wiring. So you're probably thinking this car's just a bit of a rusty state, holes everywhere. But you know, we got the main thing at the front there. Love a bit of holy arch. Back here got a window held up with wood, as you do. Front, nice big hole. I have most of the pieces for it, but I'm not going to be keeping them, so it doesn't really matter. We'll pull on there. Don't know if you can see on camera. Big lever. That's the bonnet release. On crusty engine. 6.75 litre, but again, it won't be staying. All that's going, all the wheels, everything are going, and this should be fitted to it. It's a 2002 745i. It's taking basically everything from this one to put onto the Rolls. Front rear subframes, wheels, everything. Sort of a new look at the old car. Hopefully we're keeping the clocks to swap over. That's about it. The rest of it we'll try and make a newer look to the inside of the Rolls, but with a modern running gear.